Welcome to Part 5 of our Oracle Flexcube General Ledger series. In this video, we will learn about GL Central Bank Line Linkage using function ID GLDXGLLN. We'll understand how general ledger accounts are linked to central bank reporting lines for regulatory reporting. Why is GL linkage required? Creating central bank reporting lines alone is not enough. The relevant general ledger accounts must also be linked to these reporting lines. This linkage helps organize GL information according to the regulatory reporting structure and supports central bank reporting. What is GLDXGLLN? GLDXGLLN is the function used to maintain the linkage between a GL account and a central bank reporting line. The flow is simple. GL account flows through the GLDXGLLN linkage, connects to the appropriate central bank reporting line, and is then used as part of the regulatory reporting process. Navigation. To maintain the GL central bank line linkage, use function ID GLDXGLLN. Open the function, create a new record, select the required GL account, select the appropriate reporting line, complete the required information, and save the record. Screen overview. The linkage screen contains the key information required for maintaining the mapping. This includes the branch, GL account, reporting line, effective date, and status. These details identify which GL account is linked to which reporting line and the applicable linkage information. Practical example. Let's understand this with a simple example. Suppose cash account 100100 needs to be classified under RBI cash assets. Loans account 200100 can be linked to the appropriate RBI loans reporting line. Similarly, deposits account 300100 can be linked to the RBI deposits reporting line. This demonstrates how different GL accounts can be associated with their respective central bank reporting lines. Banking example. Now consider this at the bank level. A bank may maintain thousands of general ledger accounts. Through GLDXGLLN, the required GL accounts are mapped to the appropriate central bank reporting lines. These reporting lines can then form part of the structure used for regulatory reports, such as applicable RBI reporting for an Indian bank. Why banks need this? Why is correct mapping important? Without the required mapping, GL information may not be represented under the intended reporting line, potentially resulting in incorrect regulatory reporting. With the appropriate mapping, the reporting process can use the configured relationship between GL accounts and reporting lines. So accurate mapping is essential for reliable regulatory reporting. Best practices. Here are some important best practices. Ensure each required GL account is mapped to the correct reporting line. Validate the reporting line before creating the linkage. Verify that the correct branch is selected. Test the resulting reports to confirm the expected classification. And periodically review the mappings when accounts or reporting requirements change. Interview questions. Here are some useful interview questions from this topic. What is GLDXGLLN? Why is GL linkage required? What information is linked through GLDXGLLN? Which function ID is used for GL central bank line linkage? What can happen if the required mapping is missing? And how is GLDXGLLN related to the central bank reporting lines maintained in Flexcube? Summary. Let's quickly summarize what we learned. We understood the purpose of GLDXGLLN, how GL mapping works, and how GL accounts are linked to central bank reporting lines. We also looked at the role of this linkage in regulatory reporting and understood it through a practical banking example. Thank you for watching. If you found this Oracle Flexcube tutorial useful, please like the video, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to AK Next Gen Vibes. Follow AK Next Gen Vibes for more step-by-step Oracle Flexcube and banking tutorials.